I'm Adrian. I'm over here at Physical Graffiti Body Art Studio in Sedona, Arizona. And today we were going to do a little bit of work for Rhonda from Phoenix. And so yeah, just introduce yourself a little bit, Rhonda. I mean,
Hi, I'm Rhonda.
Yeah.
I've been coming to Adrian, going on 7 years now. All of this amazing work he's done. And you couldn't come to a better place where you've got a great artist and a beautiful view, and so I'm looking forward to it today.
Yeah, how long you been coming up here?
Almost 7 years.
Yeah?
Yeah.
7 years. Wow. And I remember when we started working on your sleeve.
Yeah, and then you talked me into the skulls, and I was like, I don't know about them, and you said, come on, it'll look great, and absolutely it does. I get so many compliments on
That's
them.
Great. And so, and now you work at...
I work at Buddy Stubbs, Arizona Harley Davidson. So my tattoos get seen quite often, and I usually get to tell people, you have to go up to Sedona to get your work done.
Drive all the way to Sedona. Drive 2
Yes.
hours, you can get some tattoos.
Right. It's worth the drive, that's for sure.
Now you do retail for Buddy Stubbs, right?
Correct.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And you've been working for him for a while, right?
16 years I've been with Buddy.
Wow.
Yeah.
And so Rhonda's very popular. She's very modest, but everybody knows Rhonda. And anybody on the bike scene, the motorcycle scene, they know Rhonda, especially down there in Phoenix, right?
I was gonna say in Sedona, yeah.
Maybe not in the Sedona, but
yeah. And a lot of times I ride up here too. It's a beautiful ride anyway, but this time I was in the Jeep. I didn't ride.
Really nice custom Harley motorcycle she has. So yeah, so I appreciate you coming in. So I'm looking forward to. I think we're going to work on some emeralds today. We're going to do a couple of like crystals here, and so we're going to do some time lapse, and then hopefully you can stay tuned and see what we come up with.
Yeah, I'm looking forward to it.
Can you tell us again what inspired this piece?
This piece that we're doing today?
Yeah.
I lost my son almost 7 years ago in a car accident, and his birthday is actually today, May 24th.
Oh.
And emerald is the birthstone for me. And then I have a young lady that was like a daughter to me, and she passed last year of COVID, and her birthday is in May also. And then I have a son that I got when he was 12, and his birthday is in May also. So I just kind of wanted 3 emeralds to represent the 3 loves of my heart.
Oh, I see.
Wow.
Oh.
Nice. Quite a coincidence.
Oh, this is very special. I guess every tattoo are special for you, but this is very special.
I know sometimes people ask me which one is my favorite.
Uh-huh.
And they really all are because they all have a meaning behind them and why I got them. So it really is hard to say which one would be a favorite.
Yeah.
Okay, so here it is. Rhonda.
Yay!
How was that? It was pretty rough, huh?
It was a little rough at times, yeah. Yeah.
The 3 emeralds.
Oh, it looks awesome. So cool.
Yeah, well, I'm so glad we could do that for you.
Thanks
Thanks for coming in.
Yes, thank you. They're beautiful.
I'm looking forward to doing the next piece.
Yeah, I know. I've always got something in my brain going. Yes, thank you so much.
Awesome.